Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I am back with a home chef unboxing. I have never ever used this before in my life or anything like it. As far as a cold pre-packed meal, I'm trying to think if we've done anything like this. We've done like juice fasts and things like that, but nothing like this. So let's open it up. The only reason, that I did this was because I received a really huge discount and I thought, I'm going to try it. So I was able to pick vegetarian. Oh, that's neat. So we got a Fiesta corn and guacamole flatbread. That sounds really good. Cranberry pecan and apple salad. Yum. And buttermilk ranch taco salad. So 3 salads. Okay, the one thing is I have to say that people do when they think about vegetarians are, oh, they do nothing but eat salad. So, first off, I love salads, not complaining. But they need to step it up next week because I can make salads all day long with my eyes closed. I don't necessarily need salads. I don't need salad recipes. So, okay, so it says quality ingredients below. Ooh. Okay, and it's all packed in here very nicely. Okay, and it's packed per meal. So this is the Fiesta corn guacamole flatbread. It contains milk, eggs, and wheat. So it comes with 2 flatbreads. It is supposed to feed, I think, 2, but my youngest daughter and I, we tend to share things like this. So, okay, I'm going to take it back. This is like a little vegetarian pizza. I'm going to give that to him. Pardon me, I was wrong. Shocker, huh? I do like that they're all put together. This is a cranberry pecan and apple salad. I will tell you right now, that would not even feed my husband. Period. If I gave this to him for lunch, he'd ask me, okay, where's lunch? And I make him salads all the time. So, this is a beautiful, I love cranberry pecan apple salad, but I don't think that that would be enough for 2 people. So, of course, I will subsidize. I always have plenty of lettuce, things like that on hand. I will probably cook something called Q-U-O-R-N. It's called Quorn. It is a pea protein and egg made into a faux meat. We have the, pardon me, the turkey for Thanksgiving, and it was so good. For all the years that we had tofurkey, oh gosh, if you're a vegetarian or vegan out there, try the Quorn. It takes on whatever flavor you put it with. So I buy it cubed. You can buy it in a roast. You can buy it ground, like in crumbles. I really like it cubed. And I literally made, because we were going to my son and daughter-in-law's, and they're both gluten-free. I knew they'd have a gluten-free stuffing for us, so I had picked up some at Aldi when we were, with our daughter and son-in-law when the baby was being born, and it was a sourdough stuffing. It was so stinking good, and I added cranberries and pecans and corn cubes to it. It took on the flavor of the stuffing. It tasted like turkey. I cooked it with vegetable broth, and it was fantastic. So I have to tell you, there are things that you can add to these that beef it up. Now, for the price, I really want them to supply it all. I'm not going to lie. I literally want to walk in and make something and be done. Okay, so this is a buttermilk ranch taco salad. And there's the dressing. Cheese, sour cream, which I don't eat sour cream, but my husband will. Corn, of course, all the salad. And I'm looking to see what the protein is, because I don't mean to be rude, but that's what we look for in life. So these are zipper pouches, which is fantastic. Sorry for the noise. There's tortilla strips, and the protein is the cheese. So I will literally pop a can of beans open and put it on top. Probably I'm cooking some red beans for tonight for dinner. I am eating really basic tonight. And I will tell you right now that this, again, that's not enough for 2 people. I ordered it for 2, thought I'd stretch it for 3, and I have to say right now, I really hope they change what they do next time. So, but I will taste them. I will let you know what I think of them. And yes, there's ice packs in the bottom, so that's what I wanted to see. Okay, friends, that's it. Something different. It's called Home Chef. The only reason I went ahead and got it was I literally got $80 off this month. And I'm going to give it a try for 1 month. And I did it via friend, and we'll see what happens. I mean, if nothing else, it saved me a trip to the grocery store. I just have to add to it a little bit, and that's it. So, I mean, what I'll do is I'll save extra beans off my dinner tonight. I will put that back, and I will put like a couple of cups back, and then just rinse them and add them to that one, salad, and then, yeah, we'll be good. It'll all be good. So that's kind of how we have to do with everything, in our lives. We have to be flexible. We have to be able to add when we need it, and then, go with the flow when we can. So, all right, my friends, I know this was really different, but I hope you enjoyed it. I pray that your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Give it a thumbs up if you are subscribed to Home Chef, and let me in the comments know what you think. If you are subscribed to a different kind of dinner type, program, let me know. I mean, I've never, ever literally done anything like this, except for a juiced fast that I got my husband, my daughter, and I before the wedding, in which we make our own juice too. But it was juice and soup and all that kind of stuff. I have never done anything like this, so I'm interested to see what you guys think. All right, my friends, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely again. I will be talking to y'all soon. Love y'all. Bye-bye.